Happy Halloween, pumpkins! I collaborated with Blink Brow Bar to create this Day of the Dead look using only 3 products. The 3 products I've used are all Blink Brow products: saffron pomade, liquid eyeliner, a kohl pencil. So let's show you how I did it. First of all, I'm taking the pomade and I am buffing it all over the eyelid and underneath to create a really dark shadow. Cool, I'm now going to use the same product to contour. In the same brush, which is my Annie brush, I'm going to suck my cheeks in and follow the hollow. Now I want this to be a shadow, so I'm really going to buff it out, and I've got my Jerry brush. I'm also going to pop a little bit around the very edge of my face. I'm now going to use the black kohl. This has got a really good smudger on the end. At the moment, my pencil is actually quite blunt, so that's perfect because I'm about to go all over the eyelid and I want it to be comfortable. And buff that with my Annie. I'm going to use the kohl on the inner corner of my eye to create more shadow. Now I want to create more shadow in my cheekbones, so I'm going to go back into the black. And I'm heading for the corner of my mouth. I want it to look like the end of my nose has gone, so I'm going to create an empty space. I'm going to create an empty space on my chin. Now I'm just going to do a few little cool patterns. I'm now going to use the liquid eyeliner to create a mouth. Actually, I'm just going to go back and pop a little bit of this black liner on the inner corner of my lips and blend it out. Back to the liner. I hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. I would love to know what you're dressing up as for Halloween. Pop it in the comments below. And if you have any video requests, please pop them in too. Happy Halloween!